We are going to start with that question ino-ish yakanyorwa in June 2020, question 24A, paper 1. Iri kuti a straight line has gradient -1 and passes through the point 30. Find the equation of the line in the form y is equals to mx plus c. Murikuiona here. Okay. So that is the question we want to start with. Number 1. Tinoiweka sei question hiyo. Let us read it but a little slower. Saka a straight line has gradient -1. What you do when you answer word questions zvamunotarisirwa kuita, mufonga kutanga manyora pasi zvamakapiwa nequestion. Saka that first part, not that sentence, iri kuti a straight line is gradient -1. Kureva kuti m is equal to -1. Coming from a presupposition yekuti munotoziva kudhara kuti m inorepresenta gradient. So m is -1. Zvobva zvanzi and passes through the point 30. Saka we are given a point and the point is 30. But you should also know kuti it's also important to note 3 iyo iri kurepresenta x and 0 iri kurepresenta y, because our coordinate points anotiudza kuti kudini, anotiudza kuti the point written kana kuti noted on a Cartesian plane is made up of an x and also a y. We take the x from the x-axis and the y from the y-axis. Are you familiar with this? Kuti kana tichite point ndechirevei uye kuti xy zviri kurevei. Okay. So that is what we are given. Let us read our question. Question iri kuti find the equation of the line yobva yati in the form y is equals to mx plus c. So what we do to make life easier for us, we can start off by drawing a line. But since our gradient is negative, if you remember well, so that line really should be downward sloping. So tango is a line like this. Then this is the point we have 30. So as we try to out tikwanze kudi dramatize our situation so that we can answer it properly. But remember what I told you. Kana tichida kutsvaga the gradient of a line, we have to have 2 points. Saka pa line redu iri tangopiwa only 1 point, 30. Saka tinotora any other point from this line toilabla x, y, like that. So that we have 2 points. Then tadaro, what we are building upon, the information yekuti the gradient of a straight line is constant. Kureva kuti at any point, the gradient of a straight line does not change. Do you know that? So it's not part of our solution, but let me write it down. The gradient of a straight line, take note of that is straight line, is constant. That's important to note. So to draw a line redu, we noted that we have this point 30, then tovatagadzira another point xy yatinogona kuisa anywhere on this line. Then we go back to what we are given in the question. Tatudzwa kudhara kuti the gradient is -1. But we are going to act as if we don't know what the gradient is, and you are going to see what I mean. Ngatishandisei mapoints aya ari 2 kucalculate kuti gradient redu rakamira sei. If you remember from our last question or our last lesson, takati the gradient m is calculated as a change in y over a change in x yatinogona kuti delta y over delta x, which is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And we also said kana chitsvaga gradient, it's important to note x1 saka itoiti chigona ngoiti x1 y1 inoendo inenge yachi x2 y2. Kunota uku kwakakosha because kunotibatsira panapa tikaita interchange zvinhu we don't get the correct gradient. So let us apply that. M is equal to, what is x1? The uyo, so it's x1 minus, forgive me. So the gradient M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. What you can take from this, zvakakosha kuti pese pamunoda kuapply a certain formula, you write it down to remind yourself. Uye it carries its own marks in the event might I mistake somewhere. Saka the gradient is the change in y over the change in x. Saka panapa tiri kutanga na y2. Y2 ndiani? Ndi 0. Ratati minus y1 tonyora yakadaro like this. Are we together before I explain what I want to explain? Let us keep this as just x and y. Ndanga ndaichinja because nachida kuaccommodate this, but ndaona kuti I create another problem. So here becomes 0 minus y, like that. I hope I didn't confuse you. Over that over x2 minus x1 kureva kuti 3 minus x. This is the gradient. Takatopiwa gradient kudhara minus 1, saka this is equal to minus 1. Tasvika tesera. Saka tadai so tinenge takungoti chi 0 minus y over 3 minus x iri equal to minus 1. Then of course 0 minus y inongosara iri minus y over 3 minus x is equal to minus 1. Zvatakadzidzisana, we come back to this. Tisati tashandisa cross multiplication. And what it entails is inenge minus y is equal to minus 1. Agare ruko. Then 3 minus x ikuenda kuno multiply uko. 3 minus x, like that. Let us solve this by removing brackets beside uko. Minus y is equal to minus 1 times 3 minus 3 minus 1 times minus x plus x, like that. But question yedu yati kudini, yati find the equation of the line in the form y is equals to mx plus c. Saka we should keep it in this form. What does it mean? Tinofanga kuva na y kunoku, not minus y is equal to, then totangana x tozopesera ne constant, kuti ive y is equals to mx plus c. So to do that, totanga ta remove a negative kunoku by dividing by a negative. But remember, clearing the fractions, we have to divide every term inside the equation with this factor minus 1. Saka panapa tichati minus 1 apo kuti minus 1. Maminus aya kuchekana kuchosara na y kunoku equal to maminus aya anochekana panapa yava 3, but minus 1 into x inova minus x like this. Tasvika tese. Then finally, therefore, y is equal to, yakati in the form y is equals to mx plus c. Saka tofunga kutangana na x minus x plus 3. This will be the final answer. So let me repeat myself so that monyatsa kubata. Zataita panapa ndezvekuti kuti tisimplify uye understand the question, we had to visualize it. So draw a line, but line redu riri downward sloping because of a negative gradient. Tapiwa the gradient, tapiwa yepoint. Toda kushandisa the gradient and the point tsvaga the equation of a line. Then tobva tanoita take note of the point 30. Tobva tacreate another point tikati ndiani xy. Tikashandisa mapoints aya ari 2 kutsvaga gradient. Change in y tanga tigona kuinyora takati y minus 0 over x minus 3. This is equals to minus 1. Chinoitika pachange in y over change in x, you have to make sure kuti point yamatora y yekutanga ndiyo futi point yamunodzokera muchinotora x kwekutanga. So as you can see panapa, since tatora y kune this point tikati y minus 0, tadzokera patanga takutsvaga x, tadzokera futi tikanotora x kutanga kuti minus 3. Panapa taita the opposite, tanga nekutora 0 papoint inoi 0 minus y, tikadzokera futi kupoint iyi ikinotsvaga x kati 3 minus x. That is what it means. Saka patinoti y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 kuitira kurangaridza vanokanganwa kuti vadzokere to the same point kunotora y tora x. Are we together? Okay, then did our calculation properly. I want to believe that you are now okay with arithmetic. If you have any problems, please tell me so that we can solve them. But basically that is what we do. And question here is actually typical of my questions that I get during practicing this topic. Do you give me clearance to go to the next question?